Welcome guys, this is another video. This is really a special thing that happened to me and I'm very happy to see it. The guy that is responsible for maintaining Nix GUIX overlay seems like he reached out and he gave a very wonderful comment, and I really appreciate him for what he has done. First, I appreciate I appreciate his efforts in making Nix possible to be installed on OpenRC Gentoo. He's really awesome. Also, I appreciate all his criticism and all his or all the stuff that he said in his comments. Some of it I will try to do it as soon as possible because some of it is very possible to be done immediately. Just like for example here, no, this one. Your emerge sync performed poorly. I suggest thinking, yes, this one I was considering it. I was wondering how to do it. I did not know how to do I made a video about installing VMware Workstation, and I've seen that, and I've seen someone also talking about the difference between Fanto and Gentoo. They said that Gentoo is poorer and worse than Fanto, and he mentioned such things. So I said to myself, like, Gentoo is always trying to ride on top every new wave, anything new that helps improve the computer technology. You will find Gentoo always trying to apply it as soon as possible. So I've seen people complaining or saying that Gentoo is bad because it still doesn't use Git instead of rsync. Rsync is not fast enough. He said your emerge sync performed poorly. You are right, I agree with you, because I still did not change, or I still did not deploy this thing, which is portage with Git. And then he said also your Nix channel update finished too soon because that user did not have a Nix channel on. Well, actually, I guess some of your comments are, yes, I agree with you, but I want you to understand that I'm new to YouTube. These are my first videos, just like you are seeing here. I may make mistakes about the stuff that I'm doing. I may don't put things in order, like do this comment before this one. For example, he said, I guess here, Nix channel on, it was fast because, yeah, I forgot to execute this command. I did forget to execute this command, okay? And here also it was complaining about missing. Yes, you are right. You are right. It's because, yes, you're right. I agree with that. Everything here, I agree with it, and I'm very happy to see you commenting, and those are the comments that I want to see. Those are the comments that I want to see, okay? So thank you very much, my man, my friend. You are really awesome. Okay, so this one also, I will take everything he said into consideration. He said thank you. I'm the one who should say thank you a million times, my friend. You are really awesome. What you've done is really awesome. No need to apology for anything. You have done really well. And this thing also proves that what you have done is so much like it's out of expectations. And yes, the words, I can't find the words to describe what you have done, whether for the overlay or for your comment. And I'm always appreciating anyone that gives any comment, whether it's if it worked with him, like I give a method to do something and it works with him. If he comes and says, yes, this worked for me, thank you, I thank him as well for trying that method. And if he found a mistake or an issue, because even me myself, I watched many of my videos. Some of them I do them like I'm rushing. Some of them I don't do enough preparations for them. I'm really sorry for that. But I try my best to get the videos with the least mistakes possible. We all know that we are humans. We keep making mistakes. So we need to accept the criticism as well so we can improve. So what this guy has done, this guy has said is really awesome. And I'm very, very happy to see it. I never expected him to reach out. I never expected him to comment. And his comment, I don't have a problem with being criticized. And you can go to the video. This video is Nix Package Manager installation on Gentoo. I guess this was with Gentoo OpenRC, because when I tried to install Nix Package Manager on Gentoo, but when it's using systemd, it did not need the overlay. So and most of the users or many users use Gentoo for many reasons. One of them, or maybe the main reason, is OpenRC. They may dislike systemd so much. So, and me myself, when I use Gentoo, or I like Gentoo, one of its things that I like about it is OpenRC. I'm not a big hater of systemd. Sometimes systemd is needed for some stuff, but this is not a video about such thing. We can make a video about such thing. But this guy is really awesome. What he said is really cool, and I appreciate what he has done. I appreciate what he said, and I'm very surprised, and it's a very good surprise to find his comment right here. Everything he said is right. I agree with him. Maybe I was not focusing enough. That happens to me. I'm really sorry for such thing, and that's not a reason for me to keep making mistakes. I should be more careful in the future, and I'm sorry for the mistakes I have done. And you are really cool, man. Keep up with the good stuff. I wish one day I can help you or help any of the Linux communities with the development and maintenance of the projects that they're doing. Really, like, Linux has done very good things to us, and one of them is giving very good and cool applications for free that help the person produce many things, achieve many things. And at least, like, we should appreciate what they've done. If we cannot with money, sometimes they need money. For example, for the donations, they give you like something like a link or something where you can donate. Sometimes if we cannot with the money, with other things like helping them, working like them, testing their products, helping the spread of those products. So this thing is really amazing. Okay, thank you very much for this. I appreciate it, and I will make sure I apply all of your advice. It's really cool. I agree with you. Some of them I confess that I don't get it very well. For example, you get command not found because your path variable. I guess this one is about the when you put it in bash rc. Yes. It's when it's when I guess it's because in the video I need to check the video. I did not watch it well. You're right. I guess in the video I was running the commands as root, and Nix package manager you better not run it as root and run it as a regular user, because it allows you to install the applications without the root privileges and without the need to modify or change anything in the system. And that's the cool thing about Nix. It's just I cannot say exactly the same, but it's somehow like Snap Package Manager, and no, Snap Package Manager uses sudo if you want to execute it. So I'm wrong, not Snap, but Flatpak. Flatpak is without root. I don't know if it's the same for AUR, but sometimes, or some packages on AUR at the beginning sound like they don't ask for the root password or sudo password, and then or eventually you input the password, so it's not exactly the same. The best example is Flatpak with the differences between them. Okay, so yes, thank you very much for this. I really appreciate it. Anyone else is welcome to criticize or to say anything. I accept the criticism, no problem with it. We are all humans. You can go back and read the comment, and you should put like for him, and you should also, if you are trying to use Nix package manager on Gentoo, the best option, or the only option that's available, and it's the best, is his overlay, which worked very well with me. He said here, for example, he apologized. No need to still apologize. The old one is still good. The old one, I guess it's not this one. He has another page. He changed it. He said, it's fine, really. Yeah, he said also if you face any issue, yeah, it's fine. Everything is working well with it. Seriously, it's really awesome. Okay, I hope it's clear. I'm really excited when I'm talking, so I may make mistakes. And if there are other things or anything else that anyone wants to comment as criticizing or yeah. By the way, in the video I didn't talk about Wix because I didn't try it fully. I thought it's just like Nix, because Nix package manager is simple when you install it, right? However, for Wix you need to put all of these ones, so that's why I skipped it. If he said to me, you tried Nix GUIX, I just tried Nix GUIX, the overlay for Nix only. I didn't try it for GUIX. Okay? So that one also I may need to make a video about it, and I myself need to try it. Okay? I don't know about the installation of GUIX package manager in the other distributions, because honestly I use some other distributions, just like many people do, and I may consider it. Okay? So that's really cool. As I said, thanks for watching. Any criticism or any comment is really welcome, and see you soon, guys.